So these rusks kind of dissolve and they become like glue.
Well, those,
Yeah. You want to try it? Oh, man, down. Anybody else fancy a try?
No, thank you.
Pretty lovely.
it's a middle class rusk.
It's a middle class rusk.
Spelled
Oh, in
finger.
the gob.
Didn't they have those when you were younger? Spelled fingers.
No,
I think you just called the middle class rusks.
no. Grandma Ursula told me that she never bought that store-bought food for her children, only in an emergency.
If you'd make rusks, wouldn't you, out of bread?
I seem to remember when Mum would make rusks and would just steal them.
They were so good though. She makes them now sometimes if we have soup.
He really likes the handle on the banana.
He does, he looks like he's just holding a drumstick.
Hey, John. Thanks.
Is any of it actually going in? That's the
Are
question.
you going to go for our pudding? Sure.
We've had to remove cowboy pie from the household menu.
Is this lunchtime conversation?
It can be.